Let's make the Bocce Rum Ball. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and I'm going to start by putting a little bit of ice in. Then I'm going to add my garnish. The official garnish is an orange wheel, and as we all know, my oranges tend to be very big. So I'm going to slide that in the glass now instead of trying to force it in later. I'll force it in now. Then I'm going to add a little bit more ice. Fill that up. And yes, I'm using my hand. Forgive me. Or don't, your choice. Now I'm going to add the amaretto. 1/2 ounce of amaretto. And some recipes put up to a full ounce. To me, that was a bit much. 1/2 ounce is enough for me, which is 15 milliliters. Then 1.5 ounces of your rum, or if you're doing 1 ounce of amaretto, 1 ounce of rum. I'm doing 1.5. That is 45 milliliters. I don't have the best sense of smell, but I can smell the amaretto from here. 1/2 ounce is plenty for me. Next, all recipes say, that I found at least, 5 ounces of orange juice. 5 ounces is 150 milliliters. I'm just going to top off my glass. If you'd like to measure, feel free to do so. You may have to adjust your ice. Add a straw. See, that was enough. It's a little bit of spill. And give it a couple little pokes. Mix it up a little bit. And there you have it. The Bocce Rum Ball. Drink with good spirits.